Clear skies, fresh air, and a flat tire! Ooh. Oh, boy! Iguana Ted's junk heap. Out of business? Well, if Iguana Ted is out of business, he won't need this! 10 bucks? But I don't even want to see animals. I want to see the beach.
Try the camel cage. If you squint, the sand looks beachy.
Hey, my tire! Say, banana boy, that's not your... Try and make a monkey out of me, will ya? Sand and surf, here I come. Oh, no, you don't. I told you, that's my... Whoa! Yeah! So, you seen any good movies lately? But I already paid. You got some nerve.
Takes nerve. I'm an animal who sells tickets to see other animals in cages.
That ape's too big to bully. I'll have to make a trade. Woo! Woohoo! I can see the jungle safari ride from here. Oh, yeah? It's all yours. Let me help you out, bub. Yep, you're a real swinger, all right.
You may want to consider a yearly pass.
Say, bub, how's about a game of guess which coconut the ball is under? Watch where I put the ball. Now figure out where it is. You guessed. I had it all along. Hey, not so fast. I bet I can throw farther than you can. Ha! You'll have to throw over the wall to beat me. Okay, give it your best shot. This guy is good. as big as me. Beat that. The trick is to drink as much as you can. Oh, this is gonna be a good one. See ya! I made it!
Me!
That's mine.
Me!
Mine!
Actually, that's mine. I came back for one last haul, and my tire was a-missing from my sign. Hooligans!
There goes my day at the beach. What? You like the beach? Well, sorry, pal. There's no way to get to the beach without a tire. My car! Oh, yeah. Big-time TV wrestling tonight. Ah, come on. That wrestling stuff is so fake.
Oh, then you could probably win the $5,000 prize they're giving away to anyone who could beat the champ tonight.
$5,000? Tell him to make the check out to Woody Woodpecker, bub. I could beat the chump blindfolded, standing on one leg, with both hands behind my back.
Then let the wrestling begin!
The Granulator versus anyone. And here comes our first challenger now. Let's hear it for Woody Woodpecker. And now, world champion, the Granulator.
Hey, don't I know you? Nice trick, bub. Licorice ropes, huh?
I won't even hit you. Just run into my fist.
Oh, look, a hangnail.
And there's the bell for the start of the first round. Woody Woodpecker versus the Granulator.
I got you now. Don't move. I'll pin you. Where'd you go? Huh?
Oh, tremendous! Woody could be down for the count, ladies and gents. Wait, what's this? The Granulator is making Woodpecker pancakes.
Ow!
1, 2, 3, yeah!
Let me back in. I got him right where I want him.
Sorry, one shot per contender. Who's our next challenger?
Whoa! Okay, so maybe wrestling's not all fake. But you know, just the right gimmick. I bet I can psych this guy out.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, the next contender, hailing from the moors of Scotland, let's give it up for the Scottish Scarecrow.
I don't know any Scottish Scarecrow.
Oh, you've embarrassed me and me tartan. Prepare to suffer the consequences. It's time for me patented caber toss takedown.
He's got him on the left, on the right, on the left. What a wrestler! Excellent.
There you see, the granulator couldn't even get out of the way of me lumber and caber toss, no, could he? No, he's slow.
1, 2, 3, you're out.
Okay, he's big, he's bad, but I bet I can still beat him with pure woodpecker speed.